Yeah, good day guys. This video is all about to show you how to do digital digital art, just like what you are seeing in my phone background. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to be using two apps. Okay, we're going to be using two apps for this training. The first app we'll be using is Autodesk. It's Autodesk Sketchbook. This app and this app. Okay, I have my two apps here, so let's get started. So we're going to use Remini first. Remini is just to get our picture ready, use it to enhance. Yeah, this is what Remini looks like. So you're going to choose your picture from the phone gallery. So I click on enhance. You're going to choose enhance. So okay, actually this picture is still fine, as in it's still okay, but I'm just showing you the steps in case you have a blurry picture. You can enhance. Don't forget to on your data.
Sue is a social platform that puts the content
So
creators first. Everyone is a content creator. Advertisers pay social media giants to advertise on your content.
So the ad is downloading, so just cancel here. And you have your, can you see it now? Can you see the difference? You can view. Can you see the difference now? Yes, that's what it does. So you're going to save it. You click here to save. Yeah, and second thing is use this paint as well. This place, the picture you have enhanced, you need to import it again. So this is the picture I enhanced, so I want to paint it.
Sue is a social platform that puts the content creators first. Everyone is a content creator. Advertisers pay social media.
Just wait for it to load. Oh yeah, and it's downloading now. So can you see the difference? So it gives it the glossy look here. Okay, so you're going to be taking the two pictures we have enhanced, both this painted one and the enhanced picture, to the Autodesk sketchbook. So let me save this now. Let's meet. Yeah, these are the two pictures in my gallery. Okay, these are the two pictures in my gallery. This is the enhanced picture, this is the painted one. Okay, so I want to be moving it to Autodesk sketchbook now. Are you getting me? My own, you have two options. Okay, sometimes I do change this one to black and white. This painted one, I do change it to black and white, and sometimes I don't bother myself. Okay, so it's not so necessary. As a beginner, you may not need to change it to black and white, but for my own, I do edit it sometimes. Like I'll lower the saturation to be black and white. So yeah, so I'll be moving these two pictures to Autodesk, this one and this painted one. Okay, so let's go by this first. I'll just share from my gallery directly to the Autodesk sketchbook. So this is the Autodesk sketchbook. Yeah, it's fixing well. So let me try to import the second one. Oh, sorry, what am I doing? Let me try to import the second one. You click this place. This place. Can you see it now? Here. So that's where you import your picture. Then you see import. You import your pictures. So if you are using the black and white or the painted one, then you choose the one you want to import. Okay, I've imported this firstly, so I'll be needing this one now. I'll be needing this enhanced one, so I click it, then I have it there. So yes, one thing that you must take note of is these two pictures must be of the same size, to the extent that if you off one, they must not intersect each other. I don't know if you are getting me. Okay, they must not intersect each other. Like, okay, you know, as I hide this one now, it's just like maybe I remove this one at the top and you are seeing the one below of the same size. Are you getting me? So it won't make sense. It's possible sometimes that you will import your picture and you have it smaller. Just make sure you have it fixed. Okay, I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. Possibly the way I imported this picture now, the one at the top, the way I imported this one, it's possible you import it and it's smaller. Okay, in that case, go back to your gallery and import this one first. Make sure you share it first before you import this. You know, when I wanted to import this black and white, I shared it from my gallery, okay, to the Autodesk sketchbook directly, and it gives me the perfect size. Then I come here again to import this very one. This importation of picture is very, very important, because if you missed it, all what you're going to be doing is going to be rubbish. Are you getting me now? So yes, assuming that as I import this one now, this black and white one now, then I imported this enhanced one, and it doesn't fix well, just like it's fixed now. So what will I do? I'll just need to go back, then share this one first, then share this one. As I share this, then I'll now come back here to import this at the top. Don't just get confused, okay? Just do it as I do in this video. Shared one and come to your Autodesk sketchbook, then import the other through this place. Are you getting me now? Import the other through this place. Okay, so that's that about that. Okay, so now we'll be using this one at the top. Okay, we'll be using this one at the top to sketch. Okay, using this one at the top to sketch. Now let me explain how this thing works for you. I think you need to know this was before I commence anything. There are two types of this art. When it's 10 minutes, I'll start doing something. There are two types of this art. Okay, they call one digital painting and they call the other one smudge. The type I do is called smudge. I do smudge painting. What do you mean by smudge? Oh, sorry. The difference is just that, one, this reference picture of ours, after everything you're still going to have it behind, but the other, everything that you do will be strictly painting. All the contour, highlights, whatever will be strictly painting. But this one, we only need to work on our reference picture by using the smudge brush to make it smooth. And this is the smudge brush. To make it smooth, we're going to talk about brushes. To make it smooth and paint on it. So we have our blending mode to use to make it more realistic. Okay, so don't just get confused. When I start talking, you're going to get it. Okay, I'm just telling you that there are two types of art. We call one digital painting and we call the other one smudge painting. We are doing smudge painting. That is, our reference picture will be left behind at the end of everything. Okay, this art works with layer. Okay, to understand this, you need to understand this layer stuff, how it works. The two pictures I have here, these are they, like, you can off this and see the one below. Okay, you can see what looks like eye. Okay, if you open it, you see this one above. If I move this one up, it's going to be this is what you'll be seeing. If I move it below, this is what you'll be seeing. So I can hide this. Okay, I have this at the top. If I hide this too, I won't be having anything here. Are you seeing it now? So once you understand how these layers work, then you don't have a problem. We'll be creating more layers. Are you getting me now? If I want to create layer, I click on this plus icon, so I add a new layer. Are you getting me now? So that's how we're going to be adding layers, adding it continually till we finish what we are doing. Okay, so I personally, I love to be creating new layers for every part that I want to be working on. Are you getting me now? So this is the new layer that I just created just now. I'll be using this real picture to sketch. Yes, I'll be using it to sketch to make outline. Are you getting me now? I'll be using it to make outline, and I'll paint on this. At the end of the day, I'm going to hide this and have this one left. So I'm going to paint on this one. So when I start working, you're going to understand. I know as a beginner, all what I've been saying, you can't get it, but don't panic. Once I start working, you're going to understand. What is just important in this is that just try to understand how this layer works. Okay, if you want to start sketching, let me stop this video now.